In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment to a Vimeo video. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few simple tips to make your comment clear and professional. First, open your web browser and head over to Vimeo's website. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can comment. If you manage multiple projects or teams, double-check you're in the right workspace so your library shows the videos you expect. Next, go to your library. You'll find it in the main navigation. The library is where your uploads, saved videos, and projects live, making it the easiest place to pick the exact video you want to comment on. Browse or use the search bar to locate the video. When you see it, click to open the videos page. With the video open, look toward the upper right of the page for the comment icon. It typically looks like a speech bubble. Click that icon, and a comment box will appear. This is where you'll type your message. Before you write, consider the context. Are you leaving general feedback, asking a question, or noting a specific moment in the video? If you're referring to a particular time, it helps to include the timestamp, like at 01:12, so others can follow along quickly. Type your comment clearly and concisely. Keep it constructive and respectful, especially if you're collaborating with teammates or sharing feedback with creators. Avoid including sensitive personal details or anything you wouldn't want visible to others who can view the video's comments. If you're sharing a link for reference, paste it directly in the comment. Vimeo will typically display it in an easy-to-click format. When you're happy with what you've written, click Post. Your comment will appear beneath the video, and depending on the video's settings, others with access may be able to reply, react, or follow up with their own notes. If you spot a typo or want to refine your message right after posting, look for edit or delete options near your comment. Availability can depend on permissions set by the video owner. A quick tip: if you don't see the comment icon, comments may be disabled for that video, or your permissions might be limited. In that case, check with the video owner or confirm you're viewing the video from your library rather than a shared link with restricted features. And that's it. You've gone to Vimeo, opened your library, selected a video, clicked the comment icon, typed your message, and posted it. Simple, clear, and done.